Hello everyone, I am Mayur and welcome to my channel Code Office. In this video, we will see how to install Node.js in our Windows. First of all, what is Node.js? Node.js is JavaScript runtime environment which is used to connect backend servers. Now we will see the steps how to download and install. First of all, go to any browser. Search for the Node.js official websites. Click on first website, go to the download tab and click here for Windows installer.msi. You can see that download is started. Once download is finished, click on that file, click next, accept the terms, click next. Here the installation path, click next. Make sure this box is ticked. Click next and click install. Installation is started. Wait for some time. You can see that the installation is successfully. Now we will verify it in command prompt. So let's open command prompt and type node-v. You can see that the version number. That means our Node.js is successfully installed. You can also verify it in VS Code by running the program. Here I write a JavaScript program console.log hello world with the file name script.js. So now open the terminal and type node file name. In this case file name is script.js, so I write script.js, enter, and you can see that the output hello world. That means our Node.js is successfully installed. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thank you for watching and subscribe my channel for more content. Thank you.